Welcome to our series on how to get the most out of your WIC food benefits. Today, we're focusing on the WIC food benefits for fruits and vegetables. These nutritious options give you energy and taste great. Let's jump in. Imagine this is your family balance summary. In the row labeled Fruits and Vegetables, you see that $77 have been issued to you. And the Available column also shows $77 are available to spend on fruits and vegetables. This is the only food benefit listed as a dollar value. The food balance can also be viewed in the WIC app. The amount available will update as you make purchases on fruits and veggies at the grocery store. Check the Family Balance Summary provided by your WIC clinic or the WIC app for your specific food balance. Your WIC food benefits allow you to choose from a wide variety of fresh, frozen, and canned fruits and vegetables. Whether you prefer whole, cut up, bagged, pre-packaged, or organic fresh fruits and vegetables, the choice is yours. Fresh herbs and spices are also included. For more information, view the food list in the WIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com. You can select any brand, size, or type of frozen fruits and vegetables, including organic options and convenient steamer bags. In the canned section, you can explore any single or mixed varieties of fruits and vegetables. You're not limited by brand, size, or type of container, allowing you to tailor your purchases to your family's preferences. You can mix and match these items throughout the benefit month, up to the dollar amount available in your balance. Looking back at the previous example, $77 of fruits and vegetables were issued and available to purchase. Using that amount, you could buy $32 of fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs, $23 of canned fruits and vegetables, and $22 of frozen fruits and vegetables, totaling $77. There are so many possibilities. You do not have to buy them all in a single grocery store trip. They can be bought anytime during the benefit month. Plus, with the WIC app or by checking with your WIC clinic, you can always stay updated on your available balance and the eligible food options. Before adding items to your cart, remember that fruits and vegetables might not be included in every food benefit package. Your WIC benefits can help you choose foods that fit within your lifestyle, enhancing your overall grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your WIC benefits, reach out to your local WIC clinic.